everyone, this is Christiana Anise and I have some amazing news. Our YouTube channel is currently in action. We are uploading, we are filming, we are bringing you some new fresh content, some new strategies, resources, solutions, our whole mission. It hasn't changed, it's just evolved. Those dreams that we once had, those goals that we once had, well, guess what? We planted those seeds and we created a harvest, abundance, and now we're here to give back. We're here to provide. We're here to be of service. But you have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to comment. We don't like telling you what to do, but we suggest that you do it. Help you find more information, resources, and strategies that you probably never even knew existed, because we're very transparent, and that's what you will soon learn and find out once you become a subscriber at the She's Got Her Own Network platform. There's so much information that we just cannot wait to share with you all, but you have to tune in. So do us a favor, it's free, it's not gonna cost you anything. You're definitely going to see the value in this. I don't have to tell you, you'll see for yourself. Just make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and stay tuned. Bye.